5 videos ago, I thought AI needed better memory. I was wrong about that, and I've spent 5 videos proving it to myself in public. Today is not a new problem, it's the answer to all of them at once. By the end of this video, you'll have the actual list. Not remember more, but the specific checkable requirements a real AI continuity system has to meet before I trust it with my work. It took 5 videos to get here, so let me walk it back quick. I was the bridge between two AIs, carrying context by hand until being the bridge became the job itself. I thought memory would fix it. It didn't. Remembering a fact isn't the same as understanding what it means. I thought a document would fix it. It didn't. The moment you stop watching it, it starts going stale. And it doesn't look stale, it just looks confident. I thought a database would fix it. It didn't. A database stores facts perfectly and has no opinion on which ones still count. And when I ask who decides which ones count, I landed somewhere I didn't expect. Whatever decides has to be able to explain itself, or it's just another way to be confidently wrong. Here's where all 5 of those land. I wasn't trying to give AI a better memory. I was trying to give it a way to keep it its working reality aligned with mine. Not a bigger notebook, not a longer transcript, something that kept checking what was still true as the actual situation kept changing underneath. So here's what it actually requires. Said plainly, not like a spec sheet. Capture the right things. Not everything. Everything is noise. The right things. Keep decisions and the reasons behind them. Not just what was decided, but why. Keep rejecting paths around without poisoning them forever. Something ruled out in March might be exactly right in June. Track constraints and know when they expire. A rule that mattered once doesn't always matter now. Keep open loops visible. Half finished isn't the same as forgotten. Keep the source, who actually said it and where it came from. Not a summary of a summary. Catch contradictions when they show up. 2 true things pointing different directions is something to notice, not ignore. Know which one carries more weight and why. Know when something changed, not just that it did eventually somehow explain itself why it leaned one way over another. And stop when it actually can't decide safely and ask instead of guessing with a straight face. Look at that list again. Almost none of it is remember more. It's stay honest about what's still true. Memory is passive. It just holds whatever you put in it. This is active. It has to keep checking itself against a reality that won't sit still. That's a completely different kind of thing to build than a bigger memory ever was. This is the first point in this whole arc where I can say the target is actually clear. Not vague, not AI should remember better, a specific list. Things I can point to and say, does this hold up or doesn't it? That's new. 5 videos ago, I just had a problem I didn't have words for yet. Now I have something I can actually build toward and measure honestly instead of hoping it's working. I'm not ready to show you the system yet, but now you know what I'm going to measure it against. Decisions and why, rejected paths that can come back. Constraints that expire, open loops that stay visible, source you can trace, contradictions that get caught, authority that's explained, not just asserted, and the sense to stop and ask when it actually doesn't know. If what I build doesn't hold up to that list, it's not done. Subscribe if you want to see whether it holds up. There's a lot more to the story.